Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
Good day, Form 2s. I would like to welcome you to our science lesson on isotopes. Today we are going to discuss about the definition of isotope, examples of isotopes that we have, and then we will look at the uses of isotopes in our day-to-day life. We start with the definition. Isotope, these are atoms of the same elements which have the same proton number but different nucleon number. For example, we have got chlorine. We have chlorine which has got the mass number 35, and then we have got chlorine which has the mass number 37. And these two, they've got the same proton number, which is 17, but their mass number, they are different. The other one is 35, the other one is 37. So which means their neutron number is different. For example, the one for 35, if you say 35 minus 17, 35 which is the mass number, minus 17 which is the atomic the proton number, we get the neutron number 18. And then the other one which is chlorine 37, you go to chlorine 37 has got 20 neutrons, which is 37 minus 17, we get 20 neutrons. So you see they are atoms of the same element, but what differs is their neutron number, or their mass number is different. So that is an isotope. Isotopes, right, they have the same chemical properties, but they have got slightly different physical properties. And some of the isotopes, they are radioactive, which means their nucleus is unstable, so it breaks down over a period of time. And if it decays the nucleus, it gives some tiny particles, rays. And that radiation can be harmful, and it can kill cells in our body. We want to go to look at the uses of isotopes. Isotopes, they can be used in the industries to check some leaks in oil and gas pipes in the oil and gas industries. And then we can go to the medical uses. Isotope is used to treat cancerous cells. I think you have heard about patients for cancer saying they are going for chemotherapy, and what is used to treat cancerous cells is the radioisotope in the hospital. And then another medicinal use of isotopes, the isotopes, they are used to sterilize medical equipment. You talk, for example, the doctors, when they are sterilizing their surgical instrument, remember they have to be free from contamination. Because any slight contamination, it can cause infection on the patient. So to sterilize their medical equipment, they use isotopes so that their instruments, they are free from any form of contamination. And then also another use of the isotopes, the isotopes can be used to date ancient remains, like those who are going to specialize in archaeology, about museums, so that they can see the remains and be able to date them and check the dates of maybe when the remains were formed and all that. So that is another use of the isotopes. So that summarizes our lesson for today, and I want to leave you with the question: what do you understand by the term radioisotope? and then and also give other examples of isotope. I want you to research on other examples of the isotopes that you can find. Thank you.